We're back for another XDP manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Chris from BD Diesel to learn more about the BD Killer Grid Heater Upgrade Kit. So Chris, what problem does the BD Killer Grid Heater Upgrade Kit solve?
What it solves is the grid heater nut problem that these trucks have, in basically the 6.7 Dodge, 07 and up, have this grid heater right here, and this connection right here where it comes through to the lower bus bar usually has a bad connection on it or something, and a lot of current going through it, and it basically plasma cuts itself off, and then the nut will actually fall off and get down into the intake and into your engine. Usually goes into number 6 cylinder and takes out the engine. So it solves a big problem, really. It's a $8,000-9,000 issue if it happens.
What makes the BD grid heater upgrade a different solution from the other fixes that are out there?
Basically, it just replaces the problem that's there, right? Like you say, I have that bolt that comes through there, or the upper bus bar comes through, and then the nut burns off. And basically ours just replaces that without getting rid of the grid heater. Some people remove the grid heater altogether and use a different intake and a smaller grid heater that doesn't really work that well, where ours just replaces the factory solution that's there, right? So you're not having to do any tuning or anything like that. It's basically just fixing the factory grid heater that's there.
Does this kit require any special tools to install?
It doesn't require any special tools. We actually give you 2 tools just to make the job easier. This little wrench and the Torx bit here, but most people would have that likely in their toolbox anyway. But yeah, we give you everything you need to do it. No special tools needed.
What's unique about BD's lower bus bar design?
Well, what's unique about it is it's threaded on the end here, so it's not straight through like this one here, where it requires a nut. So there's nothing to drop down, right? There's nothing to burn off and fall in because it's threaded. And then we have a larger current can go through it. It's got it's a bigger, thicker bar than the factory one. And then we also upgrade the other end too with new hardware, nut and bolt on this end as well, to get rid of any of the weak points in this grid heater. But the nice thing about it is it retains the factory grid heater, right? Now, when you got it open like that, I would suggest cleaning up the grid heater, get rid of all the soot and everything like that at the same time. But then you still have the factory grid heater for those cold starts and stuff like that, and those cold mornings. It works very well.
Can this kit be used as preventative maintenance, or is it only for the trucks that are already having problems?
Oh no, you want to do preventative maintenance for sure, because this is it's a time bomb basically. Like, and you're not going to know that you're having the problem unless you're in there and you're checking the wire for the grid heater to see if it's getting loose or something like that. But yeah, it's definitely preventative maintenance. If you haven't upgraded the grid heater yet, I definitely suggest it. For the price point of it, I think it's right around $200. It's an easy preventative thing from costing you a lot of money and stuck on the side of the road, that kind of thing, right? But the big thing is if the nut falls off and gets down into the engine, you have a real big problem, right? So it's definitely preventative. I talk to all of our dealers out there, and if they're doing an oil change and they can see it's never been done, they always talk to the customer and get them into it for the couple $100 and the time to do it. Or you can do it at home. Get it here at XDP, right? You can do it at home in your driveway and a couple beers. Not sure I'm allowed to say that, but you can definitely have a couple beers and get the job done.
A big thank you to Chris from BD Diesel for taking the time to come out and give us the rundown on BD's Killer Grid Heater Upgrade Kit.
Thanks for having me.
To learn more and to get one for your truck, head on over to xdp.com today.